Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the brand new Whoop MG, the latest premium fitness tracker that's making waves in the health tech world. This device tracks everything from heart rate variability and blood oxygen levels to stress, recovery, and sleep quality. But what sets it apart is the ability to take ECG readings, estimate blood pressure, and even calculate a unique Whoop age to measure how fast or slow your body is aging. So it seems like the Whoop MG has it all for the $359 annual price tag. But the big question is, does it live up to its promises? Well, let's dive into a detailed review of these features and see whether this matches your style and needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and setup experience. The Whoop MG doesn't stray far from its previous 4.0 version in appearance. It's just a sleek, no-screen minimalist band on your wrist. But under the hood, the hardware is smarter and lighter. One of the coolest additions is the ECG capability, cleverly integrated into two indents on the side of the band. Just press them for 30 seconds, and it captures your heart's electrical activity. If you're coming from an older model, just a heads up, your old bands won't fit the MG. But Whoop does supply new bands with your upgrade, and setting it up is a breeze. Just pair it with your phone via the app, and you're off to the races. Whether you're a brand new user or upgrading from the 4.0 like I did, the transition is smooth and seamless. So if you're someone who likes gear that looks low-key but packs serious tech, the Whoop MG hits the mark. Just don't expect a screen to tap for the time or notifications. Moving on to the display, or rather the app interface. Since there's no screen on the device, the Whoop app is your main control center. And honestly, it's a data nerd's dream. Everything is clearly laid out. Sleep, recovery, strain, all right on the homepage. The sleep tracking is especially impressive now with metrics like sleep consistency and estimated sleep need. If you're someone who likes checking your health stats on your wrist, this might not be the device for you. But if you're happy diving into a rich, well-designed app, this system delivers that. It also plays nicely with other platforms like Strava and Peloton, which made tracking my workouts even easier. I found pairing the MG to both iOS and Android phones quick and glitch-free. So, if you're okay relying on your phone for insights, the Whoop ecosystem offers a surprisingly fluid and powerful experience that makes up for the lack of a built-in display. When it comes to performance and accuracy, the Whoop MG is a serious upgrade. It now captures 26 data points per second, making it one of the most accurate wearables I've tested. Whether I was lifting weights, doing yoga, running, or just sleeping, it nailed my stats. It picked up workouts I didn't log, gave more precise heart rate readings, and nailed my deep sleep time better than Garmin, Fitbit, or Apple. The step and calorie counts were a little off at times, but not enough to ruin the experience. One of the standout features is its unique Whoop age, which pegged me at 10 years younger than my biological age. The strain tracking was also noticeably more refined, especially when pairing with apps like Strava for cardio sessions. So if you're someone who wants precision over flashy features, and you're all about optimizing your performance and recovery, the Whoop MG delivers in spades. In terms of health features, the Whoop MG introduces some powerful tools that really push it into medical-grade territory. The ECG scanner is incredibly easy to use. Just press and hold the two indents for 30 seconds, and you get instant feedback on your heart rhythm, including any signs of AFib or abnormalities. While it's not designed for people with pacemakers or under the age of 22, it's a fantastic early warning system for the rest of us. Then there's the Health Span Score, which blends your sleep, fitness, and strain data into a single, easy-to-understand aging metric. It does take about a month to unlock, but once it kicked in, it gave a compelling picture of how my lifestyle was affecting my long-term health. There are also new features for menstrual tracking and habit building, although the cycle insights aren't quite as advanced as dedicated apps. So, if you're a health-focused individual who wants to dig into your long-term well-being, this is where the Whoop MG shines. Now let's talk about the battery life, because this is one area where the Whoop MG absolutely crushes the competition. I've used smartwatches that needed daily charging, but this tracker gave me 14 days straight on a single charge. And that's before I even touched the portable battery pack, which adds an extra 30 days. That's nearly a month and a half without plugging in. The battery pack uses the same slide-on design as previous Whoop models, which is super convenient and should honestly be an industry standard by now. I only charged it twice in over a month of testing, and not once did I worry about it dying on a weekend trip or during a long workout session. If you're tired of babysitting your devices and just want something that quietly does its job for weeks at a time, the Whoop MG might just be your dream tracker. As for my final verdict, the Whoop MG is a top-tier fitness tracker that checks a lot of boxes. From its medical-grade ECG scanner and long battery life to the deeply insightful health span metrics and seamless app experience, it's built for serious health enthusiasts. On the other hand, if you're not interested in ECGs or don't want another annual subscription, you might find better value in the standard 5.0 model or other brands like Garmin. But for the data-driven, health-obsessed user, this tracker's a beast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Catch you in the next video.